Good morning everyone. Welcome to the class of Informatic Practice. I am Lalit Jindal from the Millennium School Brinda. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the basic of software engineering and the dual role of software engineering. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the software process. So let's begin with it.
Basically, if you wonder how the software industry works or how a software engineer develops software, this topic will help you to understand these questions. Software process defines a framework that must be followed for the software delivery. It is used for the management control. It establishes the context in which the technical methods are applied. While developing a software engineer need to follow some steps. So in this slides we have discussed all the steps that we need to be followed while developing a software. The method that need to be followed are requirement analysis, design, program construction, testing, and maintenance. One by one we will discuss each in the further slides. It provides the automated support for the soft process and methods when the tools are integrated so that the information created by one tool can be used for the another. Generic view of the software engineering. Engineering is an analysis, design, construction, verification, and management of technical entities. Three generic phases of the software engineering. Basically, we have the three basic phases: the definition, the development, and the maintenance. One by one, we will discuss each phase. In the definition part, we need to focus on what information need to be processed, what function and performance are desired, what system behavior can be expected, what interfaces are needed. Basically, we need to gather all the information regarding the software we need to be developed in this step. Okay, and we have to be analyze that how basically this is feasible or not. What we are gathering the information. Three tasks in this phase are system or the information engineering, software project planning, and requirement analysis. In the second phase, we need to focus on how the data is to be structured, how a function is to be implemented, how interfaces are to be characterized, how design will be translated into the programming languages, how the testing is to be performed. In this phase, the three technical tasks we need to do: the software design, the code generation, that programming language we have to write, the software testing. We need to check whether the code is giving the desired result or not. In the third phase, maintenance phase, we have to focus on change. The steps we need to follow in this phase, we have to check the error in the code we have developed in the second phase, and we have to see the adaptation required as software evolves. Third task is changes due to the enhancement brought about by changing customer requirement. For example, we have developed a software for the 100 people. After some time, the organization want to enter the data of 500 people. So to enhance that software for the 500 people, we can change into the software or not. That is, we can done on the maintenance phase. Next, we have a umbrella activity. Basically, these activities we need to perform in all the phases. We have to apply it throughout the software process. The umbrella activities are project tracking and control, formal technical reviews, quality assurance, configuration management, document preparation, and production. The most important step, risk management. Next, after developing a software process, we have to discuss one more term here, that is the process maturity. As the name suggests, maturity means to say we need to check how much process is matured. Basically, Software Engineering Institute developed comprehensive model based upon a set of software engineering capabilities that should be present as the organization reach the different levels of software maturity. The name of the model is Capability Maturity Model. It defines the key activity required at different levels of process maturity. Basically, in this maturity model, we have 5 different levels. Now we will look at the software development lifecycle models. We have various kinds of lifecycle models that develop the software. First of all, we discuss the strategy of every model, their advantage, disadvantage, and at the end, we will compare all among them. Okay, so first model we have the in the software development lifecycle is linear sequential model. Then we have the prototyping model. Then we have human factor approach. Then we have evolutionary process model, that is an increment and spiral model. First of all, we discuss about the linear sequential model. The first example of linear sequential model is the waterfall model. That is the waterfall model. In this model, software developed in successive stages. It is a traditional approach to development. It is not iterative. It is a sequential stages. In this model, the deliverables and the milestone at each stage. The structure of the waterfall model is shown. In this waterfall model, the first step is the requirement. Then we have specification, design, implementation, integration, and then we have a maintenance. Now we will discuss about the advantage and disadvantage of waterfall model. The advantages of the waterfall model: it is designed for control. It is used for the complete system delivered after linear sequence completed. The disadvantage: it is emphasis on the document driven standard. What it means: it is used for the kind of documents that are fully elaborated in earlier steps also. It can result in the elaborate specification of poorly understood user interfaces followed by design and development of large quantities of unusable code. Next model we will discuss in the next class. Dear students, I have written some notes on this topic. I will share these notes with you. Note down these notes in your notebook also. Thank you. Thanks for watching.